Hi, I'm Tom from Alpha Tech Pet Green Planet Scientific, and today we're here to talk about the Protexus Electrostatic Sprayer. It comes in this nice carry case. We're just going to open it up and take them out. The Protexus Electrostatic Sprayer comes with a battery, comes with the battery charger, battery charging cord, some instructions, and some spare tools. So you have a cap for your tank, so when you take it out when it's not done, you can still use the solution. A wrench for the nozzle, and you have a spare hose, and then you have a tank seal and a nozzle seal for the tip. So now let me just show you how the Protexus Electrostatic Sprayer works and the functions it has. Okay, so this is your lock collar here. This is going to unlock the top where it's being held to the unit itself. Then there's a little key here that you can just pull, get your finger in here and pull it, and the tank's going to drop right out. Okay, so now that we have the tank off, we can fill it with a solution. We're going to recommend either using the Pure Tabs or our Stericyde, which is a sterilizer, or we can just use aqueous ozone. So now we just filled it up with regular tap water. We filled it right up to the 32-ounce line. And we have that. Now we're going to drop in, all you need is one of the Pure Tabs, the 3.3 grams. And just drop that right in. I'm just going to put the cap on it and let it sit. It takes about 5 minutes to dissolve. And once it's dissolved, then we're just going to check it's dissolved, shake it up just a little bit, and then we're going to attach it to the Protexus. So the Pure Tabs is one option we have, but we also have the Stericyde. Stericyde's a liquid sterilizer that will 100% kill all microbial life, even protozoan parasites. And this is a ready-to-use product, so you just open it up, we pour it in, there's no waiting for the tablets to dissolve, and you're ready to start sterilizing. So we also have our third option, which is aqueous ozone, which is a generator that we have that will use normal tap water and take your regular H2O and convert it into H3O, which is 3,000 times faster at killing bacteria and microbial life, and then it's also 50% more powerful. Okay, so now that the Pure Tab is dissolved, we'll just give it a little shake, take the cap off, and we're going to insert the hose. Slides right on. Turn the lock collar. The key is locked, and we're ready to go. So let's take this battery. It's real easy. Only fits in one way. Just slide it right in, and it clicks in. And to get it out, all you do is push the lever here down, and it slides right out. There you go. We have it on lock because if you're going to take the tank off, your finger's just going to naturally grab here, and it's going to start spraying everywhere. So it's locked. Now it's unlocked, and we have our electrostatic is on. We also have a little headlight here so that you can actually see. So now at the end of the day, or if you've been using it a lot and you just want to charge the battery up, all you do is just push in the back of the battery and pull, and it slides right out. Okay, so you take that. This is the battery charger here, and it's going to show you the power level and then the charge time. And you just slide it on, plug it in, there you go. So it's about, well, it's a full charge because we really didn't do anything. But here it would light up all red. If it was a totally depleted battery, this would be red, and the green would be down here. All right, well, thanks for watching this video on how to use your Protexus Electrostatic Sprayer. In our next video, we're going to show you how to maintain it and unclog a nozzle that's not working properly. So thanks again for watching.